Prepare to unlock the secrets of YouTube success with Tube Mastery and Monetization 3.0 by Matt Parr. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this course provides step-by-step guidance to kickstart your YouTube journey. Plus, you can gain access to a private Facebook group for support and networking opportunities. You can start earning money sooner with Matt Parr's expert tips. The immense potential of YouTube as Matt Parr reveals the power of audience engagement, revenue streams, and niche selection. With his own success story as a testament, Matt Parr's course is a game changer for anyone looking to achieve YouTube stardom. With his impressive track record of running 9 thriving YouTube channels, Matt brings a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table. Divided into 7 modules, this course takes you from fundamentals to elevated content creation. You can gain access to a private Facebook group, connect with like-minded creators, and receive additional support. Let's dive into the incredible benefits that await you in this game-changing program. First off, the introduction section sets the stage by giving you a clear understanding of what to expect from the course. The private Facebook group is where the magic happens. Connect with fellow students, collaborate, and gain valuable support and networking opportunities. But it doesn't stop there. Get your dose of inspiration from none other than Matt Parr himself. His personal journey, influences, and insights will ignite your motivation to embark on your own YouTube adventure. The Fundamentals module is the building block of your success, focusing on understanding your audience and selecting a profitable niche that you're truly passionate about. Ready to boost your earning potential? The High CPM Niche module guides you through strategic niche selection that will maximize your profits. Setting up your channel like a pro? Learn efficient video creation techniques, maximize engagement, and discover Matt's secret keyword research technique. As you progress, the video uploading module will equip you with strategies to increase views and subscribers, from effective filming techniques to editing wizardry. Monetizing your YouTube channel becomes a breeze with the 5th module, which delves into alternative methods beyond advertising. Scaling multiple channels? No problem. Discover tried and true methods for expanding your empire and optimizing each channel for maximum profits. And let's not forget about the irresistible pricing. With a limited time 50% discount and a full refund option within 60 days, you have nothing to lose.